beautiful.
Is it recording?
Maybe. Hey guys, it's Maddie. So today, oh my god, Amy's finally on the YouTube channel. We got all our makeup bags, makeup, and yeah, we're gonna also be doing a tag while putting on makeup. We thought this was really funny. We want to give it a try. So
to start, you do primer.
Oh, I don't do that. I just skip right onto foundation.
For primer, I use the Maybelline Master Prime in the clear color. This is exhausting.
First question, do you sleep with your closet doors open or closed? That's a really interesting question.
I don't have a closet in my room.
You don't?
No.
Where's your closet?
I don't have one. I use a dresser.
Who sleeps with it open? I feel like that's really scary. I sleep with my closet door closed.
I don't want people to see me without makeup.
Amy, you are beautiful with and without makeup. Everyone is beautiful.
Shut the fuck up!
I'm using the Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I have oily skin, so this is like perfect for you shiny people out there. Do you have freckles? I have a little bit, like right here.
I have like 3 here.
I have 3 freckles.
Yeah.
What is your biggest pet peeve?
Oh, people who like do like
smacking
when they eat.
Yeah, I hate when people smack. I hate slow walkers. Like I used to live. Yeah, I just want to push them over. I'm using the Age Rewind. This, I love this. I really recommend this. You can get this at the drugstore.
Why are you going so fast?
Would you like me to wait for you?
Yes.
Have you ever been camping? No.
I never will go camping.
I know, that's scary. I don't like that.
Like, why would you go sleep in the woods? Like, what's the fun in that?
Well, like, the fun part is, like, singing songs around the campfire, making s'mores, telling ghost stories, you know.
I would do a cabin, but I wouldn't do a tent.
A cabin, yeah. No, tent, that scares the crap out of me.
So the next step is you don't have to do this. Most people don't do this. But you take white eyeliner and you put it on your lower waterline.
To make your eyes bigger?
Yeah.
Helps us Asians.
Are you saying only Asians have small eyes? So it's still like lines. This is why you use a primer.
I use my fingers to blend out the contour.
Oh.
Jesus Christ!
Oh my god! Look how little is left!
How did that happen?
I dropped it.
What is your favorite type of food? I really like pasta. Italian food.
I like diner food, like burgers.
Oh yes.
Can you please slow down?
I'm sorry! Last person you kissed.
Never kiss anyone. Okay.
Wait, who was the last one? Oh shit! For me it was like the random guy at the park. We don't talk about that.
Kinda kissed a hobo.
No, I didn't. Were you ever a boy Girl Scout? Oh, I thought you were just gonna say, were you ever a boy?
I know.
Like, what kind of a question is that? I was never a Girl Scout though.
Me neither. We're gonna prime our eyelids before putting on eyeshadow because that's what a real beauty guru does. Okay, time for eyeshadow. I use this really crappy palette. It's the L'Oreal Nude palette. Take a pink shade, put it all over your lid.
Now we're gonna go for like a prom look. Even though we might not go to prom, both of us, because we don't have anyone who wants to take us.
And it's like, you know, early December, but who cares? I don't know how people do cut creases.
Yeah, the cut creases are hard.
I don't like cut creases.
Did you ever use a gun? Have you used a gun before?
To like shoot someone?
Have you ever killed anyone? Occupations you wanted to be when you were a kid?
I wanted to be an interior designer.
Oh, that's actually really cute. I wanted to be a ballerina. Can you curl your tongue?
Like this? Ew!
I'm gonna bake my face.
I don't bake. I feel like that's so messy.
Hey, so the battery died on my camera, so we're gonna finish the video on my phone.
You look so funny.
It smells so bad. So I'm gonna take a liquid eyeliner and do a winged look.
Do you want to get married?
Yeah, but I don't know if that's gonna happen.
Yeah, maybe.
Boys suck.
Fuck boys.
Oh goodness.
Fuck men. For the Naked 2 palette, wait, no, Naked 1, we're gonna take Sin and just pat that on top.
Oh my god.
Is this one, like the tip is really missed.
Yeah, fuck. I look like a clown right now.
Alright,
This is really sad.
What the fuck did you do?
I don't know. You guys, this is true friendship right here. Gotta blend out the powder now. So you don't get those eye bags. They gotta go away. Stop sticking your butt in the camera.
This is an issue.
Amy! Do you want kids? Yeah, like 1 or 2. I want a lot.
I'm gonna like adopt a few.
Oh, are you serious? That's so cute.
Yeah, cause it's like I want kids, but I don't want to have to like be pregnant, you know.
Show us your ugly Christmas sweater if you have one.
Show your pants.
That's not ugly. I have these fuzzy. I have these pants. They have snowflakes all over it.
Oh, I used a butter bronzer. It's really good. It smells so nice. And I put it everywhere because I'm really pale.
I love using lip pencils. I overline a shit ton. Sorry that it's so loud out. We live in New York, so it's very noisy.
You've like said that 3 times.
I know, I keep bragging. We live in New York, sorry.
No, I don't want to live in New York in the future. Like I need to like go.
I could.
I want to go somewhere else after college and then like come back.
I don't really want to go to college here. I could actually, but I want to go, you know, to the West Coast, California.
I like traditional campuses. Like NYU, it looks like a really fun school, but it's like I can't imagine like walking outside your dorm building and like seeing like these huge like skyscrapers.
I love that. I want that.
I know. I want like trees and like.
I don't want that. We want the opposite stuff.
And like a football stadium. I'm starting to like look really different.
I know, me too. Oh yo.
Oh, you're really dramatic.
Yeah, very dramatic.
You know, if I'm gonna wear them, I want to.
Oh my god, do you see that? Oh my god. Yes, blind a bitch. Alright.
Cringy. Who are you? Jake Paul? Did you guys know we met Jake Paul before?
We're in Jake Paul's vlog. I am.
Yeah. She's like ordering a Panera and I'm like getting the drinks and like this really hot guy walks by and I'm like staring at him, and then as I'm staring at him, Jake Paul walks by and I'm just like, what the fuck?
It's so random.
And then like turns out the hot guy was like one of like Jake Paul's like assistant or something. And then I go towards Maddie and I'm like, Maddie, Jake Paul is here. And she's like, shut up, Amy. No, he's not.
I really didn't believe her. I was
you were
like,
so mean.
I was like, good one. Haha.
Haha, Amy.
Just let me buy my bread.
I tell her, you know what? Go walk past their booth. I promise it's them. And then she walks past them and she's like, oh, it's them. And then she's like, I want a picture.
Yeah, I walked by and I was like, oh shit, it is Jake Paul. And I was like freaking out, but like we were like laughing. He was yelling in Panera and everyone was staring at him. Yeah. It was so weird.
He was really nice though.
And he was like being conversational. He was like, what are you guys doing here? Is this like your lunch break? And I was like, no, we got out of school early. Like we had like a nice little conversation. And I was like, what are you doing in the city? And then he was like, oh, you know, just out. What did he say? He was like out living life.
And then Maddie was in his vlog. Check it out.
Yeah, I'll put the link down below.
No, Maddie's like, I'm not Jake Pauler. And then as she like stand next to him, she's like, oh my god, it's Jake Paul. This is my color corrector. I used the LA Girl Peach color corrector for my under eye just to like cancel out the bluish tones.
Spray my face and then I'm gonna try to put on false lashes. Refreshing.
So extra.
All this hard work and creation for nothing.
Actually, it's for your viewers.
Exactly, it's for you guys. So I will be using the Ardell Wispies. I've heard that these are really good.
So I will like cut off.
I just was like,
oh, you know like those Instagram videos that are like,
oh my god.
Just kidding.
Oh my god.
It got on my pants. Why does it do that? Like just like one big old squirt. I didn't even touch it.
There's one big old squirt.
There.
Oh my god, it feels so weird. It's so heavy. Oh my god, what the fuck?
I'm sorry if I did a crappy job, guys.
Oh my god, this is so weird. I'm not used to wearing false lashes.